Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the colorful brick large red Damselfly in Heartopia during the Modular Street Festival event. Okay, let's get into it guys. So this is one of the brick insects in Heartopia during the Modular Street event. And this is the spatial one guys because you can only catch this insect during the spatial brick insect event. As you can see here, the source is from the spatial brick insect event. So this insect only appears during the spatial brick insect event. And I'm going to show you how you can join the event. First, you can go to Nania and you can talk to him. And then you're going to start the spatial brick insect event. And to start it, you will need 20 brick tickets. As you can see, it will cost 20 brick ticket. Or if you don't want to spend your ticket guys, you can join the other players who start this event, or you can join it when Naniwa start this event. Sometimes Naniwa will host the event, so you can join it for free. And yeah, just start the event and you will meet the colorful brick large red Damselfly. Okay guys, and that's all for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!